Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. A Python virtual environment is a self-contained directory that contains its own Python interpreter and library installations. It allows you to create isolated environments for different projects, preventing conflicts between dependencies. Visual Studio Code, VSCode, is a popular code editor with excellent support for Python development and seamless integration with virtual environments. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps of creating and using a Python virtual environment in Visual Studio Code, including code examples to illustrate the process. Visual Studio Code. Ensure that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your machine. You can download it from https://code.visuals2dio.com. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from https://www.python.org. Open VS Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Python in the Extensions view, and install the one provided by Microsoft. Open a new terminal in VS Code by selecting View-Terminal or using the shortcut Ctrl+. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Run the following command to create a virtual environment named venv. You can replace venv with any name you prefer. Once the virtual environment is created, you need to activate it. On Windows. On Mac OS/Linux. After activation, you will see the virtual environment's name in the terminal prompt. With the virtual environment activated, you can install Python packages using pip. For example, open the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, and select the command Python, select Interpreter. Choose the interpreter from the virtual environment you just created, example/venv/ben/python. Create a new Python file, example app.py, in your project directory with the following code. To run the script, right-click on the editor and select Run Python File in Terminal or use the shortcut Ctrl+F5. Congratulations! You've successfully created and utilized a Python virtual environment in Visual Studio Code. This approach helps maintain project-specific dependencies and ensures a clean and isolated development environment for your Python projects. ChatGPT